Words are already having plural form. Some words are already in the plural form. They don't have singular. Some words are having singular form. They don't have plural. So this is the case, and that is why there are few rules. Some 4 to 5 rules are there. 6 are given here. How 6 are given? Okay, first rule. So the following nouns are used only in singular and take singular verb only. So verb like furniture, the word like furniture, scenery, luggage, luggage, this furniture, luggage we always use, luggage, furniture, information, this word also we are using, okay, advice, we use this also, then hair, business and work, they are always singular as a noun, For example, furniture is beautiful. You can't say then furniture are beautiful. It is always used as singular. Then luggage. So I have 5 bags in the luggage. Suppose if I said the sentence, I have 5 bags in the luggage, the next sentence will be luggage singular. The luggage is, not are. Though there are 5 bags, we will not use are here. Understood the meaning? What is the rule? The rule is that some words, now these are the typical words, these words, etc. There are few more words. But what primarily we come across is furniture, luggage, business, hair, information, advice. ADVICE, not ADVISE. ADVICE, both the words are correct. ADVICE means something different and ADVISE means something different. Okay. So, advice, bread, these are always singular. They are always singular and carry a singular verb. Which verb? Singular verb. Okay. Second rule, the following nouns have a plural form, but they are used in the singular sense and take a singular verb. Following nouns are in the singular form and following nouns have plural form, but they are all used in singular sense and take a singular verb only. Now, innings. Innings, cricket match. India plays, then plays Pakistan. So it is Pakistan's innings, Indian innings. Okay, Indian innings. Innings, there are 2 innings always in a match, in cricket match. Okay, so the innings, they are playing in 2 innings. What it means then? Is it a singular or plural? The form, the look that S is used is plural, but the meaning is singular. Innings, 1 innings. Understood? It is only innings. So whenever it is used for as an singular. The innings is very popular. The inning is very popular of the year 1998. of the year 1998 is, we are using singular verb with it. Okay. Then wages, politics, means, summons, news. This is it. News. It looks, because it ends in s, it looks plural, but it is, news is very fresh. This news is very fresh. Why it is always singular? You know that. N for north, E for east, W for west, and S for south. So this word became like this. So because this is modern word, so we can say that what is the history of making this word. But this innings, it is the word invented before the independence era, the cricket when it was started. So that time they started using that word popularly for games, sport. Okay, so I cannot tell the history of that word. That's a history I told you. But if you go in the history, you will come to know why we use a singular verb with it then. Okay, that is the reason. So they are in the look they are plural, but in the use they are always singular. For example, physics, economics, okay, mathematics, they all are ending in s. But are they plural? No. Physics is a word which has a plural form, but it is singular. So it takes singular verb only. Physics is a branch of science, like this. Some nouns are not used in the singular form, they always take a plural form, and some nouns are not used in singular form, they are always plural. See, these were the singular nouns, and now the third one is plural. Arms, it has no singular form. Arms. Okay. Reaches. Reaches. Contents. You will say that, sir, RICH, rich, is the singular form. No, rich is the adjective. Riches is the noun. Amir, Amirzada, Amir, that is the category. Amir log. Riches means Amir log, rich people. So it is plural. It has no singular. Why? Because it is talking about many people, those who are rich. So he is a single person. He is a single person, he wants to talk. No, he is talking about the category, whole category. In a category there is not a single person, there are many people, then only it is a category, right? So riches is always in plural. Same way, circumstances, thanks, means, repairs, they are always plural, and it is used always in plural. Plural verbs are used for that. Okay. Third rule. Fourth rule. Some objects are made of two almost similar parts, and that is why they are plural in the form and always take a plural verb. For example, scissors, trousers. Trousers has two parts, downside, दो legs होते हैं ना. So trousers are always plural. Scissors, two equal part make a one thing, so that is scissors. Spectacles, this one and this one, spectacles, this one. Okay, so these two parts come together and make a this. Tongs tongs होता है ना, tongs ऐसे पकड़ते हैं, है ना, tongs. It has two parts, this one and this one, है ना, tongs. So there are two parts. So wherever you will find some two parts coming together and framing one thing, one object, so that is a plural noun already, and taking plural verb always. Okay. these trousers are really very good, these scissors are, so in this way we talk. Okay, some collective nouns, though singular in form, always take a plural verb. Now collective noun are always, most of the collective nouns are singular. Army, collective noun, it's a singular. Armies is the plural. Okay, but some collective nouns are in a different, they cannot be made plural. Like I said, army, team, teams. How many teams came? 5 teams came. Team is a collective noun, but it has a plural noun. 1 team, 2 teams, 3 teams. So team has plural noun, but some collective nouns do not have plural noun. For gentry, folk, poultry, cattle, people, vermin. People is already a plural, right? So it's a collective noun. Crowd is a collective noun, so it does not have plural form. So at that time, what to do? To use plural verb only. With people we use are, not is. With crowd we use is. Okay, crowd we use is. Poultry, cattle we don't use. Okay, singular form, we always use plural form. So that is the meaning, that collective nouns, some collective nouns have plural noun. Team is a collective noun and teams is the plural form, it, right? But people is the collective noun which is in plural form and it does not have singular form. So with people we use plural verb. With people we use plural verb. What we are learning? We are learning what verb to use. Okay, with what? Singular and plural forms of the nouns. Now these are the 6 rules. These are the 5 rules. 6th rule is, a noun when put in the position of an adjective and having a number before it never takes the plural form. Acha, okay. It's a simple rule. You need to understand. See, a noun when put in the plural position, put in the position of an adjective and having a number before it. For example, it was a 3-hour test. It was a 3 hours test. Understand? Example, second example, he has a 10-year-old son. He has a 10 years old son. Now, what is a noun when put in the position of an adjective? Okay, and having a number before it never takes the plural form. So the noun does not take a plural form. We are not talking about the verb. Okay, now, so what is the thing you need to see? This is this total is a group of word phrase. In it, test is a noun. Test is a noun. It is qualified by another noun. Hover is a noun. It is a noun. Now, here the noun is used in the singular form, and here the noun is used in the plural form. Why do you think? Which one is correct? So you support, think like this. I will say, See, when we say that if I am not using this, it is an adjective. When we say a noun can be made into plural, what? A noun has singular or plural form, right? Noun has singular or plural form. Adjective does not. How simple it is? Adjective does not have plural form. Adjective does not have singular or plural form. So this one is a noun. Here it is used in plural. Is it working as a noun? No, it is working as an adjective. So adjective can be made singular or plural? Not possible. So this sentence is wrong. Same is the case here. Son, old, year, 10. Right? 10-year-old son. This is the noun, number. Now only due to number is a game only. Even if I leave it, if I say that he has a few years old son, that is also wrong. That is also wrong. Even if I am not using number, if I use few, that is also wrong, because it is working as an adjective. Adjective cannot be turned into plural form. So the rule is this, to understand. This is what? If it has a number before it and then you cannot make it plural form, forget it. Only remember this. Noun can be made singular or plural. Adjective cannot be made singular or plural. Here hover is working as an adjective. What is the noun? This. And this noun is working as an adjective qualifying the noun test. So ये क्या बन गया? hover एडजेक्टिव है. एडजेक्टिव का प्लूरल कैसे होगा? नहीं होगा, है ना. एड सिंगुलर और प्लूरल किसका करते हैं? नाउन्स का करते हैं. सो इट इज रॉन्ग. सेकंड सेंटेंस इज रॉन्ग हियर, सेकंड सेंटेंस इज रॉन्ग हियर. Nothing else to think. So number 6 is such a simple rule. Third one, last one, countable and uncountable noun. My God, यहाँ पे बहुत सारा explanation दिया होगा. I have a little simplest explanation of countable and uncountable, है ना. अभी देखो इसका explanation. Nouns used for things that can be counted are countable nouns. We can use them in singular as well as in plural form. When used as a singular form, they take a and before them. Okay, this is the rule, you know all. And nouns used for things that can't be counted are uncountable nouns. They usually have no plural and don't take a or an before them. So for uncountable nouns, we don't use a and or an before it. That is the rule. For example, tobacco, uncountable noun. Paper, uncountable noun. Glass, uncountable noun. Milk, uncountable noun. Now my basic question is, so this is the thing, countable nouns take a and an, uncountable nouns don't take a and an. Now my basic thing is, you need to understand countable and uncountable on this, your fingers. What you can carry on your fingers, that noun is countable. What noun you cannot carry on your fingers? Carry, I am not counting, carrying. I am carrying only. Okay. So if you can carry it, it is countable noun. If you cannot carry it, it is uncountable noun. Those which can be carried, carry a and. Those which cannot be carried, cannot carry a and an article. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers? 5. Okay, so today only I counted. So 5 fingers. Apple. 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4 apple, 5 apple. We can say okay.